Today we are going to download and install First of all, you have to open any browser. This website opens in front of you. On write your mobile name which you want to flash up. To the download and install SP Flash tool here, click on it. Here you can see that our SP Flash tool has started downloading. Now click on your file which is downloaded. Select your Scratter loading file. The link to this file will be found in the description below. Choose one of them. Connect your mobile with USB cable and your work will be done on a PC. Thank you for watching this video.